My name's Carey, Evick. I'm from Statesville, North Carolina. I've been affiliated with Detail King through buying some of their products and found out that they're very good. Talked to a friend of mine that actually has come to this school several years ago and recommended it very highly. The exterior part of the class was simply amazing. It's given me a whole new outlook on there's just more to cleaning the car than just a bucket and a sponge. Showed me techniques that I've never even heard of, much less seen before, and I've never used a buffer before either, or a polisher. So it gave me a whole new outlook on waxing and getting the cars to get their shiniest. Interior detailing is absolutely awesome. There's a lot of so-called detailers out there, but this training I would recommend to anybody who's even considering wanting to do this as a living. It will set you above and beyond everybody else. It was awesome.